everybody. It's like, I don't know, 11 o'clock or so on a Thursday here. So I just want to take a minute and say and apologize really for not being able to get some more tutorials out. I know it's been, I don't know, a month or more since I've been able to do a video. Just life, is happening, and I help oversee a youth sports program. So we got soccer starting, and our pastor and his family are away on vacation. God bless them. And so I've been playing drums and I've been able to play guitar lately. And there's just a lot of stuff going on right now. So I haven't been able to do a lot of tutorials, and I apologize for that. And then the other thing, I wanted to thank you guys for your ministry that you're serving in at your church, or wherever it might be. It's a sacrifice to take the time to practice and to learn parts, and every little bit counts, and it makes a difference in the congregation where you're serving. So I appreciate your work and your dedication, faithfulness to growing in the music aspect of things. As long as we put God first. And one of my favorite scriptures is that He's a rewarder of those that diligently seek Him, and that's super encouraging to me that it's not wasted, that all the hard work we put in and everything that we do, whether it's music or whatever you do, that if you're diligent in seeking after the Lord in those things, that He's going to reward you for that. So I always think that's pretty cool, and that helps to keep me going and keep me excited about doing things for Him, even when it gets monotonous or kind of overwhelming at times. I just look forward to that reward. So thank you for your support on the channel. If you guys want, I can do a pedal board overview of my pedal board. Just leave a comment and let me know what you guys think. If you want me to do that, I can do a video on my pedal board and or sound system too at the church. I head up our AV team there. So if you guys have sound questions or whatever, or want to see the sound system we're using, and we're all on in-ears and stuff, let me know. Leave a comment below, and let's get into the Christ Be Magnified tutorial. All right, Christ Be Magnified, key of G. The original song by this is by Cory Asbury, the one I'm doing. The original key is in A flat. So if you transpose up one, which I am right now, I'm transposed up one. You can play along with the album. So I'm transposed up one right now. So I'm playing G-shaped chords, right? But I'm actually in the key of A flat. So the tag, or it's like the interlude. It also, you play it kind of at the end of the first verse. You play it between the chorus and the third verse. I'll show you guys that. So right hand, it's a pretty simple song. So it starts on a B, then you go to a D, down to G, F sharp, to E. And that's the whole thing. It just, for the intro, it repeats twice. It just goes again. I'm having troubles with my sustain pedal too, so if it gets kind of choppy, it's because my sustain pedal's not working. So left hand, you're doing a G with the B for the first hit, so it's going to be a G, 3. So I'll do the counting too. It's going to be a G, then you go to D, then to C. Okay, so it's going to be like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you'd be at your verse. So together, sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, verse. Okay, so that's your verse. I have my the stand is right here, so it's kind of hard to get around it. So the verse is just you finish that. 2, 3. We're creation. Figure how I can go up here. We're creation. Just a G. Suddenly are to a C. Articulate. Back to G with 1,000 tongues lift one cry. Just G and C. And then on north, you're gonna do a G over B. Then from north to south, back to C, east to west. And you're going to do a G over D. We hear Christ, then just to a D. Be magna, back to G. So on Fide, Christ be magna. Right on Fide, you're going to play that tag again. So we got the G. Christ be magna. Right back to your interlude. Fide. 2, 3. Right to verse 2. You only play it once. For the whole earth echoing his eminence, his name would burst from sea and sky. Same thing again, G over B. From rivers to sea, mountain tops. Here's your G over D. We hear Christ. To D, magnified. Then back to just your G. Magnified. And then you're at your chorus. So chorus, you're just, chording pretty much. You can do some other little things in there if you want, but and then you have your tag again between your chorus and verse 3. Same thing, real easy. Just once. And then your verse 3, do your verse 3, back to your chorus a couple times, and then you're at your bridge. So for the bridge, left hand, you're kind of doing a walk up. It's just a 4 count between each change. C, D, E, and then you're going to a B at the end. So G over B. So that's the same all the way through except for the very last note you hit. You do your C, your D, your E. Don't go to your B. You're going to go to a D before it goes back into the chorus. Right hand, you're kind of in an E minor pattern. So it's going to be an E, G, B. And then it's going to be D, G, A. Back to the E minor. And then up to a G, G, B, and D. And when you put it together with the timing, you're going to hit your bass hand first and then start with your right hand. And then it just repeats and the bridge builds. But that's all it is. You're hitting this one first. Back to the E minor. Then it's basically a G over B. The very last one, I'm just going to play the chords. I'll do an E minor over C so it sounds similar. When you return in glory with all the... let's do this way. Angels and the saints, my heart will still be singing. And then you're basically going to a D. Just play a... You can, instead of doing a run, you can do your G here. Because usually you'd be your G over B. Sorry. G over B is what you would be doing, but you're going to be doing G over D. And then it goes back to the chorus. Oh, Christ be magnified. And then it goes through the chorus. So that's the bridge, and that's Christ be magnified.
And we're created